Bye-bye.
That was relation.
That sucked.
That was my fault.
What's up, Petrov?
Right, what's happening?
Crashed my fucking motorcycle this morning.
Yeah?
Snap. You know, I'm going to Vans.
No doubt. Yeah, it's pretty turbulent.
Pretty
coming back
gusty.
this way, too. Rope started skipping and I plunged.
Do me a favor, Pete. Go get Marina for me. She's over there playing in the water. I'd go over there and get her myself, but I'm in a lot of pain.
Yeah, she won't want to do that no more. Ah, my fucking nose hurts.
My fucking leg hurts. Oh, shit.
You guys hanging out with a bunch of crippled people. Oh, this is how I was this morning.
Good weirdo.
It was either the side of a car or this lady's yard. Right? Yeah. I picked the yard. Body sore. I was on my way to go skiing. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it. I was on my way to come see you.
Oh, it's good.
Anyone else gonna fly?
You know what I was thinking?
Well, how was it?
Looked like you were bobbing around quite a bit.
Little gusty up there?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that takeoff was pretty hairy. I was a little,